welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making garlic focaccia bread. So it's really easy. All you need are a few ingredients. Today I have this delicious garlic focaccia bread mix from Artesian Breads, and all you do is mix this with some warm water, yeast, and olive oil. Right now I'm just stirring the yeast and 2 tablespoons of warm water. It needs to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to let it bubble up. So until then, here's a fun bread fact. Did you know that focaccia bread means fireplace bread? Weird.
You're first going to combine half a teaspoon of yeast and 2 tablespoons of warm water together in a small bowl. Whisk together and then let the yeast activate for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes later. Once the yeast mixture has become bubbly and foamy, combine your bread mix, a half cup of warm water, the yeast mixture, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then, mix all of your ingredients together until everything is completely blended and a dough forms. It may take a couple minutes to get the right consistency for your dough. Next, you're going to want to oil up all sides of a pan or cast iron skillet. This is how you want your dough to look. It should be moist but not too sticky. Now we want to scrape our dough into our well-oiled pan and spread it around so that it forms to the fit of the pan. Now cover it with a damp towel and say goodnight.
So apparently it takes 2 hours for the bread to set. Yeah, I didn't know that. I definitely recommend reading ahead of instructions, especially when making bread. Apparently it takes a while to set. So we will be back in 2 hours.
2 hours later. After our dough has had a nice snap, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, oil up your hands and begin flipping and folding the dough at least 5 times. And make sure to spread it to the fit of the pan again. To get that classic focaccia look, dimple the surface of the dough with your fingers. We also sprinkled some extra rosemary on top for some added flavor. Once the oven has preheated, bake the bread for about 25 minutes. Once the edges are golden brown, remove from the oven and enjoy the delicious goodness of rosemary garlic focaccia bread.